Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. Based on the comments we received, we have to showcase the gas cylinder we are using. So this is the gas. As you can see, this is how we bought it here in Ghana. This is how they sell it. Okay. This was how we got it. So it is detachable. So this is where they usually fill it, like you see. So this is how it is. Okay. So this is the burner. It will be fixed. So I just want to fix it. So that is how it is. If they want to refill it, they just lose it and replace it back after filling. So this is how we bought it defaultly. But because of this has like 3 legs there, sometimes these 3 legs may not balance properly. It may look as if the pot want to fall. Okay, so we got this other one. This is the one we are using. So I'm going to unmount this and connect this back. If you watch our previous videos, you'll see that this was the one we were using before, but sometimes it may look as if the pot want to fall, and you know this economy situation, pot must not fall. So we are going to connect this. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, so this, when you put the pot, it balance. There's no how the pot will fall in this place. So this is our gas. Okay, very easy. I'm going to put on the fire. See, it's on. So that is the fire. You can increase it. You can see. So to turn it off, you just put it off. So this, it will allow, it will not allow breeze to be disturbing you that much. Unlike this is also, it has some protective, but the size of the pot, your pot may want to fall, most especially like if you are turning. So this is how we'll be using it. So thank you for watching. We're about to prepare food, so our madam will take over as usual. Okay, so this is how it is. So this is very secure. So that's the one we'll be using, and that's why this is still okay, but we prefer this. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, turn up the post notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Right now we're about to prepare another delicious food, so watch out for that video. Manuela, say bye bye. Subscribe.